Hi from Coach Costa. I got another one for you. Amazon merch. Now, some of you people that are my age may go, what is Amazon merch? Type it in and go look it up. And I recommend, especially if you're a creative type, sign up for this service that you can become part of it. It took me a little while to get into it. What it is it's a print-on-demand service from Amazon, and they made this shirt for me. I mean, it's stupid cool. And you know that I'm a teacher, and you guys know I got all these positive sayings coming out all the time. I can make my own t-shirts, long sleeves, and as I tier up, that means I have enough sales and enough designs. They'll let me sell hoodies, sweatshirts, and I got a feeling this is gonna get huger and huger. And again, look this up on Google, YouTube. There's a lot of people making good money with this stuff. I like the creativity part of it and be able to spread my message. I'm gonna use this for my teams for award shirts. I mean, you guys know I got the tattoos, but there's just way too much fun to have. People can do this for families, family events, get shirts made up on not a very expensive price, I feel. And if you just like creating, I got a feeling this is gonna get bigger and bigger with these guys, and they're gonna put it on other items. Towels, cups, who knows what. Amazon is offered this service. So sign up for Amazon merch, especially if you're a creative type and you want to share your message to the world. I've got a bunch of stuff out. Just type in Coach Costa and more of my stuff is getting live. I'm learning how to do it. It's been a ton of fun. Check it out, Amazon merch, M-E-R-C-H, Amazon. Pretty soon you're going to be able to order my stuff from Alexa. If you don't know who Alexa is, you better go look it up.